Good morning, all of you. Today we learn fractions and decimals. Before that, our first topic is completed, that is integer. And this is the second topic, fractions and decimals. Before starting this topic, we want to know the meaning of the topic. No, topic name. That means fractions and decimals. So let us take the first point, fractions. So first point of the topic is fractions. So first we have to see the definition of fractions. Fraction means a part of a whole. Fraction means a part of whole. Let us see one example here. Suppose I will take one circle. That means that is a one full circle, and this circle is divided into two equal parts. Suppose the circle is divided into two equal parts. That means this one is the first part and these are the second part. That means one circle is divided into two parts, and that number is called a fractions. It is called a fraction. One more example. Suppose this is the one square, and that square, this is the one full square, and this one square is divided into two parts and again two parts. That means equal 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. That means one square is divided into 4 parts. It is called a fraction. That number is called a fraction. Okay. So now these are the examples of fraction. There are three types of fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. See here, the first one is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. See here, the definition of proper fraction is the numerator is less than denominator. Means 3 by 7. Here 3 is in numerator place and 7 is in denominator place. So 3 is less than 7, and the definition of our proper number fraction is numerator is less than denominator. It is called a proper fraction. So this one is the example of proper fraction. And one more example we will take here, 7 by 9. Here also 7 is a less than 9. That means the numerator is less than denominator. So this fraction also called the proper fraction. Are you getting this one? Okay. Now the second one is improper fraction. Second one is a improper fraction. The definition of improper fraction is numerator is greater than denominator. The definition of improper fraction is numerator, that means numerator is greater than denominator. Here numerator is 9 and the denominator is 2. That means 9 is a greater than 2. So 9 by 2 is an example of proper fraction. We will take one more example, 11 by 6. Here 11 is a numerator and 6 is a denominator, and 11 is a greater than 6. That means this also the example of improper fraction. These 2 points are completed here, and now third point is a mixed fraction. Third point, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means combination of whole number and like that fractions. It is called a mixed fraction. See here once again, the definition of mixed fraction is combination of whole number. Everywhere you know the whole numbers. Whole number and that fractions, the combination of whole number and fraction, it called a mixed fraction. That means 3 is the whole number and 1 by 2 is the fraction, and that whole number is called a mixed fraction. 3 1 by 2 is called the example of mixed fraction. One more example, 7 6 by 2. 7 is a whole number and 6 by 2 is a fraction. That means 7 6 by 2, it is the example of mixed fraction. Okay, now here the types of fraction, this point is completed. After that we will start a new point, and the name of that point is like fraction and unlike fraction. Now like fractions. First we will start point like fraction. I will write here some fractions. See here, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 9 by 7, 10 by 3, 7 by 2, 8 by 2. These are the some examples of fraction. Okay. Now the definition of like fraction is whose denominator is same. Whose denominator is same, that fractions are called like fractions. That means 3 by 2, here the denominator 2, then 1 by 2, here the denominator is 2, 7 by 2, denominator is 2, and here also denominator is 2. That means these fractions are called like fractions. 1 2 3 4, that 4 fractions are called like fractions. So 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 7 by 2 and 8 by 2, these are the like fractions. Okay. Now the second point is an unlike fraction. Unlike fractions. The definition of unlike fraction is whose denominator is different. Whose denominator is different is called unlike fraction. Look here, 9 by 7 and 10 by 3. Here the denominator is 7 and here the denominator is 3. That means here these two numbers are different. So these two fractions are called unlike fractions. That means 9 by 7 and 10 by 3 are the examples of unlike fractions. Okay. Here our like and unlike fractions, this point is completed here. Are you understood this one? Okay. After that we will start examples. The question is solved. See here the first example, 3 plus 1 by 2. We have to solve this one. 3 plus 1 by 2. See here, first we have to multiply these two numbers, and in the product which sign is there, plus sign is there, add the numerator. See here, 3 multiply by 2 in bracket, 3 multiply by 2, which sign is there, plus. So we have to put here plus sign, and the numerator write as it is and denominator also write down as it is. Then 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 write as it is upon 2 also. 6 plus 1 7 by 2. This is the answer. Okay. Suppose here minus sign, then we have to put here minus sign. Let us see like that example. See here, 9 minus 4 by 2. First, same steps are there. Only here minus sign is there and here plus sign is there and here minus sign is there. First, 9 multiply by 2, then minus sign here. So we have to put here minus 4 divided by 2. Then 9 2s are 18 minus 4 divided by 2. Then 18 minus 4, it comes 14 divided by 2. Here in the table of 2, 14 is there. That means 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14. That means answer comes 7. Okay. These are the two examples depends on the fractions. Here those definitions and examples are here over here. That examples and definitions you can write in your maths notebook, as well as those homework are pasted today, that also you can solve in your maths notebook. Thank you.